Well, my name is Ronald Tiso. I'm a planner in water utilities. So I plan for wastewater and clean water. I live in Glasgow. Yeah, I have, yeah.
And tell me about the week. Have you enjoyed it? What have you learned?
The week has been fantastic. We've learned quite a lot. It's more than I expected. I did the course online, but then again, that was the start. So what I'm getting here is more than what I learned online, really. And again, the fact that you get to meet people that are like-minded, that want to get into business and properties and all of that stuff. So it's really good. The atmosphere is good.
Excellent. And tell me about Samuel and his team. What do you think of them?
I think Samuel's got a lot of energy. He's sort of, he knows his stuff. He knows his ins and out. And he gives it the way that I understand it. So I've read his books and I've seen Winners on Wednesdays, and coming in person has made everything much more easier and I understand.
Amazing.
Yep.
And tell me about what made you get into property.
Well, property, they say that the only estate that is real estate. So I go into property because properties, they tend to outlive inflation. They tend to rise up in price over the years. That you can get passive income of properties than from a job. So there's quite a lot of reasons why property is the best, in my view.
So you're looking to get successful.
I would love to get successful in property, yes.
Amazing. And tell me about what the next steps are for you.
Well, the next step are rent, deal sourcing, and BRR.
Amazing. Do you feel that you'll be able to do that now after the course?
After the course, I'm sure 100% I'm able to do rent, deal sourcing, and of course, buy, refurbish, and refinance. That's my main goal, to do BRR. So, yeah.
Amazing. And final question, to anyone thinking about getting into property, what would you recommend?
Sorry?
Anyone who wants to get into property,
Right.
what would you recommend?
Well, I recommend it to start by reading books from Samuel. Go on YouTube, watch Winners on Wednesdays, follow his programs, or attend the crash course. It's a start. It's £1. It's for free, really. So start with the crash course and then come on to this, and then that will take you further.